No. Okay, look at the light. Okay? Look at the light. Wait.
Hello, brother. Do you have try something dinner? I have seafood Thai for brother. What you feeling like that? I have a seafood, red snapper, tuna, baby shark. In the menu price here, Thai food, noodle, everything. Just on the buy that.
Yeah, hello, welcome to Thailand. I have big calamari big today for you. Take away or eat here. And then lobster here. For you, a live one. Look nice. Yeah. And the menu, cha-cha. Station number 1. Which one you are eating? A big tiger prawn? Yes. Hello, welcome to Thailand, Bangla. Yeah, which one it is? I give you. Yes. Coconut. And the pineapple small, watermelon, everything. Which one it is? Let's see.
Welcome, Bombay. What you want? Thai food, Arabic food, Indian food. So Thai food, so आपके पास we have Indian food, Arabic food also. See? Arabic, Indian, Thai, Bombay. Look behind. Get ready.
I was talking to Patrick's mom today about Australian stuff. I said,
قدامك انت بس ليش تشوف لي وجهك؟ انا ما ادري ليش شو اسوي؟
Yo, any video? My business, bro, for sale. How much? How much you want to spend, bro? It will be worth £1 million in 5 years. Honest. The name alone, look, that name alone is worth 20,000. What's the offer? For a 5 business.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir. Most welcome.